Hey, hello, hey.
Hey, hello, hi.
Hi, Chris.
Hi, Jessie.
How's your day going?
My day is going great.
It's going to get even better because,
Wait, how's your day going?
Oh, good point. How is your day going?
It's not just about me, it's about all of our friends joining us too.
Well, your day is going to get better too because we're going to the park together.
Oh.
Yeah.
Have you been to the park lately?
I love the park.
Did you
Do
go to the
like
park today, or are you going to the park later?
When the weather is really nice, it's great to go to the park. We like to bring our dogs to the park.
Ooh.
What's some other things that you could do at the park?
You could go on the swings.
Oh, if your park has swings, that's so much fun.
You can go down the slide. So fun.
Who likes the slide?
I definitely do. Our park has a merry-go-round that you can go on. It goes around and around.
Oh, yeah, just like a thing that goes around.
Little animal bouncers.
Sometimes a park like ours near our house has a pond and a river, and you could go fishing. Yeah, has anybody been fishing before or seen fish? They're really fun. So we're going to sing Hello Hey, and then we're going to go to the park, Chris.
Yeah, there's lots of fun things we could do at the park, but we better get started with music class.
Yeah, so we're never going to make it to the park.
All right. Well, do you want to join us for music class today?
Yes, you do.
Are you just hanging? Are you just watching today, or do you want to play with us?
You want to play.
All right, then go get your guitar.
Get your guitar, get your ukulele,
I'll
get a
wait.
drum.
Are
you waiting?
Did you get it?
Got it.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, show me your one. You know how we start this thing.
One. What comes after one?
Peace sign.
Two. Are you two?
Two.
All right, what comes after two?
Three.
Three. Are you three?
And
What comes after three?
four.
It's four. You don't need any more.
One,
two, three, four. Let's get it going right away today.
I'm going to clap my hands.
All right, if you're playing, tap your instrument. If you're not playing, clap your hands.
I got inspired to clap my hands.
Or just tap your knees if you want.
Clap with me or tap or play. Here we go.
Before the rockin' can begin, everybody count me in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Before the rockin' can begin, everybody count me in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody's having fun, starting with the number 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. Now you all know what to do. Let's count out the number 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. You can count along with me, counting with the number 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. Hey, you don't need any more, ending with the number 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. Now the rockin' can begin. Everybody count me in. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hit it.
Let's do it. All right. Come on, move your body a little. You can dance if you want to dance.
Don't bump his guitar.
Pop your head around a little.
Shake your hair.
Woo. Come on, sing with us. Hello, hey, hello, hi. Are you ready for rockin'? Hello, hey, hello, hi. Are you ready for rockin'? Hello, Jessie, hello, Chris. Are you ready for rockin'? Hello, you, hello, me. Are you ready for rockin'? Hey, hey, are you ready to play today? Hey, hey, have you got a song today?
I do.
Hey, hey, are you ready to dance and sing? I hope you are.
I am.
Hello, hey, hello, hi. Are you ready for rockin'? Hello, hey, hello, hi. Are you ready for rockin'? Hello, girls.
Hey, girlies.
What's up? Are you ready for rockin'? Hello, boys. What's up, my dudes?
Dudes,
Are you
what's
ready
up?
for rockin'?
Hello, moms.
Hello, dads. Are you ready for rockin'? Hey, how about hello, Grandma? Hello,
Grandpa.
Grandpa.
And our grown-ups.
What's up, everybody?
Hey, hey, are you ready to play today? Hey, hey, have you got a song today? Hey, hey, are you ready to dance and sing? Clap those hands, let's do it!
Nice. Sounds good, everybody.
Clap a little slower. Ready? Go. Faster!
That was like a dance break.
Dance break. Ooh, is that super fast? Ah! Hello, hey. Hello, hi. Are you ready for rockin'? Hello, hey, hello, hi. Are you ready for rockin'?
Yeah, we're ready.
Clap it really fast.
And clap them really slow.
And fast! Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you.
Um,
Hey, well done, everybody. Thanks for coming to music class today.
I know, I love it when you show up every week with us. That's like the best part of my day.
I really look forward to seeing all of you at music class and saying hey and what's up, everybody.
Yeah, and so many new friends are starting to watch us here on YouTube.
So cool.
Hopefully more of you will come and tell your friends about us, and make sure you like and subscribe us and all those good things.
Well, most importantly, if you could just give us a wave. Hey,
I'll take a wave.
Hey, what's
How
up?
about a kiss?
Mwah, it's nice to see you.
Okay, so we are going to go to the park, but before we go to the park,
I forgot. I
we
almost
are gonna
forgot.
talk about some of the animals that you see at the park. So I want to play a game with Chris and you too. So you should join us. So play along with us. We are going to guess the animal sound.
Guess the animal sound.
Guess the animal sound. And these are animals that you could see at the park, very likely. And you could see them at the river when you go for a walk by the river, which we're going to do later.
Even if you don't have a park by your house, maybe you have some woods or a forest that you could take a walk in. It's
with
fun.
a grown-up, of course.
Yeah, you take a walk and you can see different animals in there.
Okay, so Chris, you want to do the first one?
All right, we're going to make the sounds of some animals and see if you can guess what that animal is.
And I'm going to play along when it's not my turn.
Okay, when I make the sound, see if you can guess what it is and then make the sound with us.
Okay, everybody,
All right,
listening
here's
ears
the first
on.
animal that you might see if you go to the park. Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
Whoa, Chris, that was a very low.
Do you know what it is?
Do you know that sound? Do you know what that is? What animal is it?
Yes.
It's a
a frog.
frog.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
ribbit. Can you hop around like a frog? Ribbit,
Ribbit,
ribbit, ribbit, ribbit,
ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
Can you make a frog voice?
Ribbit, ribbit.
That's
Ribbit,
a silly
ribbit.
sound. Okay, it's my turn.
I haven't seen any frogs yet this year, but hopefully I will see one the next time I go to the park.
I don't want to see any frogs.
Aw, but they're so cute and they're jumpy.
I like to leave the frogs where they belong, on a lily pad.
Well, that's okay.
Okay, here is my animal.
All
Here it is. Listening ears on, Chris.
All right,
Listening. And I'm going to do a visual with it. Ready? Like this. I'm imitating the way it looks, too. Whoo, whoo. Let me do it again. Whoo, whoo. One more time. Whoo, whoo.
Who?
You, do you know what it is?
Oh, of course. It's a who. It's an owl.
An owl. I love owls. They're so cute.
Are you saying that owls wear glasses?
I mean, a lot of times when they show an owl, they're wearing glasses. But you know what it is? It's just the way that they look, because their feathers frame their face like this. And so people think that they look like they're wearing glasses.
Who?
You know?
Have you ever heard a real owl before outside?
Sometimes if you go like to the park, or if you go to the zoo, you can learn a lot about animals. And a lot of the times the zoos are rescuing the animals and saving them, so you can learn about them too.
Oh, that's so nice.
We have one more animal before we're going to go to the park together.
Who's going to do this one? Me?
Yeah.
All right.
It's your turn. We'll take turns. Taking turns is very important.
That's true.
Very important.
I know you're going to know what this one is because it's very easy. When you hear the
I don't
sound,
know what it is.
try to guess it and then make the sound with us.
Okay.
Okay, here it goes. Quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quack, quack. Quack,
That's so silly, Chris.
quack.
Whoa, what?
Quack, 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 quack,
That
quack.
is so crazy. Do you know what that is? It's a
Yes,
duck.
it's a little duck.
A duck. That was a funny way to do it.
I learned how to make a sound with my voice, and it sounds like this.
Quack, quack, quack,
I
quack,
just
quack.
quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quack,
You can
quack.
do it the easy way. Quack, quack, quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
Can you quack with us like this?
Oh,
Quack,
yeah. Show
quack,
us your
quack.
ducky hands. Quack,
Quack,
quack.
quack,
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 quack.
quack,
Quack,
quack.
quack.
Quack, quack, quack.
I think we're ready for our park adventure.
Let's do it. We're going to go
Let's
for
go.
a walk down by the river and see all kinds of animals.
Come with us.
I went down to the river, wasn't very cold, so I jumped right in. Out hopped a bullfrog, big and fat. He said, "Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit, what do you think about that?" I went down to the river, wasn't very cold, so I jumped right in. Up swam a catfish, slimy, you bet, splashing all around me, and he got me wet. Oh, the river is nice and warm today. Oh, the river, won't you come with me and play, play, play? I went down to the river, wasn't very cold, so I jumped right in. Swoop came an owl down from his tree. He said, "Whoo, whoo, whoo," like he was laughing at me. Whoo, whoo. I went down to the river, wasn't very cold, so I jumped right in. Out flapped a crane with a big white wing. She was flying over everything. Oh, the river is nice and warm today. Oh, the river, won't you come with me, jump in today? I went down to the river, wasn't very cold, so I jumped right in. On the other side I spied a duck. He was waddling through the muck. I went down to the river, wasn't very cold, so I jumped right in. Up came a turtle from his shell. He said, "Shh, I got a secret, but I will not tell." Oh, the river is nice and warm today. Oh, the river, won't you come with me and play, play, play? Oh, the river is nice and warm today. Oh, the river, won't you come with me, jump in today?
Well, that was quite an adventure today.
Whoa, that was an amazing walk in the woods.
It was so fun. Did you enjoy it? Did you see the animals we were talking about? Well, maybe if they go to the park without us next time, they could find their own animals at the
Yeah,
park.
and I hope you'll tell us about any other types of animals that you saw when you went to the park.
It was so fun at music class today.
That was pretty great.
Did you have fun, Chris?
I had a blast.
Yay! Me too.
Well, I'm sad to say that it's already time to say goodbye.
I'll try not to cry.
Don't be sad, because we'll be back here again very, very soon.
Yeah, you can totally find us here. We're not going anywhere.
And you can watch us anytime you want.
Yeah, let's do one more song. One more song. One more song. One more song.
Before the rockin' can begin, everybody count me in. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah!
Goodbye. Time does fly till we get to see you again. bye-bye. Goodbye. Time does fly till we get to see you again. Baby, bye-bye. Goodbye to the girls. Goodbye to the boys. Goodbye, moms and dads. Ooh, you really rock. Goodbye to Jessie.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye to Chris. See you later. Goodbye, all of our friends. And everybody in the band today.
That's you.
You really rocked. Goodbye. Time does fly till we get to see you again. Baby, bye-bye.
Shake that hair. Get excited.
Quack, quack, quack. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Splash, splash.
Go to the river.
Well, I wanted to say goodbye to all the animals that we saw today, too.
Bye, animals.
And bye to our friends.
Mwah.